Installing a processor and heatsink. Before replacing the components now shown on screen, check the heatsink type of the system to be serviced. If it is a liquid-assisted cooling module, you will need a module handle. Hold the blue latch and slide the processor carrier into the rail frame. Push the rail frame down until the blue latch locks into place. Close the retention frame and use a Torx T20 screwdriver to fasten it. Align the triangular mark on the heatsink with the triangular mark and threaded posts on the processor socket, and then install the heatsink on the processor socket. Fully fasten all the screws in the installation sequence shown on the heatsink label. Install the top cover.